officers responded to a shots fired call and didn't have any idea what else was going on. It's a typical police call. And as they arrived, they saw an RV that was giving out a message saying it would detonate within 15 minutes, a countdown would go, music would play, and instead of taking it as just maybe a threat and calling in and getting resources, they immediately began knocking on doors. They coordinated the resources to get everyone evacuated and out. Had they not done that, we'd be talking about people as well with the destruction that we have.
Evacuated now. All buildings in this area must be evacuated now. All buildings in this area must be evacuated now. If you can hear this message, evacuate now. If you can hear this message, evacuate now.
And then there is the aftermath. It's just absolutely chilling. It's like, it is like something you'd see out of a movie. And it's happened on Christmas Day in downtown Nashville, a very official sounding recording, Phil.